Frantendele. Malawi ni Frantendele. Sankondo. Dodele Musiye. Dam MC Bilaka Izigya. Lero Musiye. Wapagari parti pa democracy. Dimanu kulenji sisiyero. Kula president onse. Abaki Mruzi. Address Banda. Ndine. Taka issue statement. Wafela Chakwera. Kulimeza kitika. Kulionge asiezme once and for all.
And I think Meg will also behave very irresponsibly, especially with respect to the way they are doing planning the issue of machines and so forth. I think it's wrong. I'm sure by now the statement has been issued, but there will be a statement today of all the former presidents, a very strong statement. I'm sure it's issued by now, condemning what happened in Lilongwe. What happened in Lilongwe is totally unacceptable. And I think the president and my Congress party must assure the nation that this kind of thing is going to stop. It's unnecessary, and also we're calling on to listen to the wish of the people and to make sure that this machine over there, whatever they call it, smart something, smart whatever. It's not even smart, I think it's unsmart. That will not accept that machine. The opposition will never accept. We want to manual voting and don't want that machine. So I asked MEC to cancel that contract that they had with, and we asked the chairperson of MEC to be more sensitive to the needs and wishes of the people. They are there to represent the people, not there as dictators. So the chairperson and the committee must respect the will of the people and change the manner in which they are mismanaging this whole election, this whole process. Yes. We have managed the resignation of the chair and also the chief executive officer and also of the 11 of top of management officials, all whom were selected from the central region. All of them must resign. We need impartiality, otherwise it will be very, very difficult for the opposition it will be very difficult for the opposition to accept what MEC is doing. Let me stop there. I don't go too far at the moment. I don't want to alarm everybody, but we'll take very serious action if in fact the government and MEC don't abide by it.